Okay, so this street right here is going to be our target street. I don't know the name of it, but it's going to be like, there's two streets that go that direction, and one of them is Adolfo Loureiro, and that goes down this way. And I filmed here many times, but this one is going to be this other little side street. But I thought I'd start here because of this kind of cool looking building and just kind of the energy in that spot. It's kind of an interesting one, so we're going to catch that quick first. So let's go down that way, and let's start it by going across the street. Okay, so this is where we're going to be focusing on, this one right here, all the way down. I got a little flower shop here, and then this is just kind of interesting because there's a park here as well. So I might tap into that briefly and just go down this direction. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Hey, welcome back. So let's just kind of capture our corner real quick. I just kind of think it's kind of interesting space. Just there's a big balcony right there that's kind of interesting. So, but anyways, we're going to be walking. There's a lot of interesting stuff. But we are going to walk down this direction. And I think what I'm going to do is, I think we're going to come by this way first. And try to capture this, this little circular area. And then we could go down this way, which is actually this street right here, which we're not going to do, but that one goes down that way, and instead we're going to go down this way. So we could go that way, but instead we're going to go through this park a little bit. And then we're going to try to get back to our target street. Walk along this park a little bit, kind of check it all out. And sometimes this park can be quite crowded with a lot of people. At the moment it's kind of so-so. Let's see, I don't see the name of our street though. Public bathroom right there. Oh, it's Barca Street. So actually this is called Rua de Barca. I also kind of want to show that coffee shop right there. It's Cafe Eskimo, and then you can sit up that spot too. Actually, Barca is kind of a long street. So I guess that's the start of Barca. So let's just see here. I guess we're gonna try to go across. Try to capture this corner a little bit, and then we're just going to go walking all the way down that direction towards Rua de Barca. I guess we're kind of committed to it now. I was kind of hoping that was going to be a short street because I didn't want to, I drive in my cars. It's where we started at. So I was like, yeah, maybe just a short street, a few blocks, that'd be perfect. Focus on some of those corners, but now I can see that it's not the case at all. Barber shops. Oops. More lights just came on. So we're still on Rua de Barca right there. Busy. This is actually a really cool corner right here. That one is like one of my favorite buildings. But you also have this really nice long balcony that goes all the way around like that as well. So that's on Barca. And then we have American clothing articles of American clothing, Artigos Americanos. I don't know, those are just American, I don't know what that is. Thought it was articles of clothing, but I think it's definitely something different. We're gonna have to go over and take a look. Plus we can get a view of this kind of cool looking building now too. So actually what I want to do is, there we go. Let me see what this is. Actually, it's not American clothing at all. Those are just like, I saw like everything but American. Okay. Such a cool spot. But when I opened the door, I saw like products from like all kinds of random stuff. So I think that sign is just like a relic from another era. Okay, so we'll keep on walking down Rua de Barca. It's kind of pretty with the lights right now as well. So we're going to continue going down this way, but I just want to highlight this little pedestrian street right here. And so yeah, you can just kind of walk across and get into the other side right there as well. So kind of cool lighting. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down. Actually, the lighting couldn't be better. But when the lighting is like this, you have to walk. I have to be careful moving the camera, otherwise it'll get kind of blurry and messy. Okay. So we also have this little space in here. So let me walk across here real quick. I'm definitely going to highlight this little space as well. But there's another alley in that direction as well. But before we go down, we also have this kind of cool looking building right here. So Rua de Barca has, I always kind of notice this balcony right here. There's amazing corner balconies. And then there's a little restaurant, street right there. Street restaurant, I mean. So actually kind of a cool little space as well, Maxim's. Okay. There's kind of a lot of cool stuff everywhere in here. So I'm also going to capture this little space here, this building, and that building. I can capture both in this area. So let me try to capture both. So this is Barca and Restauração, and then this is also in Restauração too. I think Restauração is restoration, like when Portugal restored the crown. Just kind of capture that again. There's $1 million view right there. All we need now is we've seen somebody to walk across there, and that would be the perfect shot right there, because that's yeah, like that. So if people walk across, if they get like some more people coming across, let's kind of see if we can get. So right there is a really good shot. Even like right there. Oh, this older lady that comes across. Oh, look at the lighting, it's like amazing right now. I don't know if this lady can get across well enough or not. She's kind of waiting, I think, so I think someone's going to help her across. So actually that's kind of good. So it's a really good Samaritan move right there. Yeah, the lighting is amazing. Okay, so let's move down a little bit. We also have that one right there as well. Okay, so let's move down. to the hood of Barca because you got a pedestrian street here, and then you got a pedestrian street over there as well, a tiny one, and then you got those kind of cool looking buildings right there as well. Oh, okay, she's actually helping her all the way down the street. I thought she just came out of nowhere and was helping, so. So I don't want to go around that couple, so I'm just going to go down like this. Another little pedestrian spot. I'm going to come to an ending shortly. Okay, so let me just see here. I think this is actually a different street name. I think we left Barca, and I think we're actually on a different street now. I can't be 100% sure, but there's kind of a lot of cool stuff in this area. Corda, Emenda. But I'm definitely going to go over to this side. I think we left Barca Street. But I think the best part of it was what we captured. That little cool little spot right over there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to an ending, and I don't want to go any further down Barca Street. I think what I got was like perfect. Actually kind of a cool space right there too. Cabeza de Corda. Okay. We're just gonna end on this space right here. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.